Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we will create Amazon Prime video clone and this is the first part. So if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe my channel and also leave a comment if you face any problem in coding. So thank you for 500 subscriber. It really means a lot. Thank you once again. And also please make this to 1000 subscriber as early as you can. Then I will upload full stack videos for you all. So thank you once again. Now let's get started. So this images folder will be given to you. Just download that from the given link in the description. So now let's start by creating the files. So first let's create index.html file, and then in home folder we will create here two files. One will be style.css and another will be script.js. Now come back to index.html. Now let's change the title. So type here welcome to Prime Video. Now let's add an icon. So in href give the location of the image and also change the type to PNG. Let's check it. So open the Chrome. So let me refresh. So here is the icon and the title. Now let's link the style.css and the script.js, and in body give a comment script, and now link the script.js file. Okay, now let's search for font awesome. Now click this button, your kids, and now copy this link and now paste it after the style.css file. Now come to body and let's start with the navigation. So first let's give a comment navigation, and now copy and paste this one time, and now change this start to end. So let's start by adding name tag, and in here give a div of class logo, and now add a img tag, and in source give the link of the image, and in alt type logo. So let's see if it is showing or not. Let me close this. So here is the logo, and now after the end of the div logo add another div of class right menu. Now add an anchor tag, and in between add a I tag with a class fa-glow. So this is a font awesome icon class. Now add a label, and in for type lang means language, and in here type en. Okay, now give a I tag with a class fas fa dash caret down, and also type arrow dash down. Also give a class lang dash btn. Now after the end of anchor tag give another anchor tag, and in between type sign in. So now let's check it. So this is it about the navigation. Now let's add main content. So for that give a comment here main content dash start, and now copy and paste this one time and replace the start with end. Let's start by adding header tag, and in here give img tag and in source give the location of the image, and in alt type poster. And now give a div of class text dash over dash image, and in between give h1 tag and type here welcome to Prime Video. Now give a p tag, and in here type okay. So we can copy this from the Prime Video page. So here is the image and here is the h1 tag. So now let's go to Prime Video website. So this is the page we are creating today. So now let's copy this text and paste it inside the p tag, and now let's add a button with the type submit. Now copy the text from the website and paste it right here, and now again give a p tag, and now let's copy this text from here and paste it right here. So now let's check it. Come to our page. Okay, so here is the text and the image. So now let's copy this header tag and paste it one time. Now change the image source. Also we need to change the text. So for that, so open the Chrome and go to Prime Video page and copy this text from here and paste it inside the h1 tag, and also change the p tag. So come to Prime Video page and copy this text from here and replace the text in the p tag. Okay, so we need to delete this p tag from here. We don't need this here. And now we need to change the text in the button too. So for that, come to code and now change this text to rent now. So let's check it. Come to our page. So here is the text and the images. So now after the end of the header tag, let's add a section, and now add a div with a class section. So now let's add a h1 tag and copy the text from the Prime Video page. Copy this text and paste it in the h1 tag, and also add a p tag, and now copy the text from here, copy this and paste it right in the p tag. So now after the end of the section div, let's add another div with the class channel btn. So now let's come to script.js file and add here var favorite channels. So now give a bracket, and inside that give another bracket and in type img-url. And now give here the location of the image. Okay, let me show you where is this image. So we are inserting all these images here in this bracket. So for that, first let's copy this and paste it for 7 times. And now let's change the images. Okay, we need to add another link of the image. So for that, add another link and change the image shorts tv.jpg. So the Lionsgate play will be not small p, it will be capital P. So now let's add the favorite channels variable with .map function, and in bracket give function, and also in here in bracket give elem, and now open a bracket and give variable div with the document dot create element, and now give a div with set attribute, and in bracket type class, and also type here channel div. Now let's give another variable image. Now give a document dot set attribute, and in bracket give img, and now give the image variable with set attribute, and in bracket type source, and also select the elm with dot image URL. And now give here div.append, and also give a bracket and select the image variable. Now give the document.querySelector method, and in bracket give the class channel btn, and now give here the append, and in bracket give the div. So this channel btn is present in the HTML. So this is the class. So now let's see if it is working. Okay, so the images didn't come. So let's see if we are missing something. Okay, we need to add local storage here, and now give dot set item and select the favorite channels variable, and in here type JSON stringify, and bracket give favorite channels. Now let's see if it is working. Okay, let me refresh one more time. So now also it didn't came. So let's see the code and let's find the problem. Where is it? So in the var image in document and dot, this will be not set attribute, this will be create element, not set attribute. So let's see if it is working. Okay, so here is the images. Okay, let me show you in the Prime Video page. So these are the images we are showing in our page. Okay, let's move further and add some more HTML. So come to index.html file. Okay, now after the end of this section tag, add a header tag with a class fire-tv-header. Now add a img tag and source to give the location of the image. and in alt type poster. Now give a div of class fire dash over dash image. Also give id fire dash div. And now give a h1 tag with a class fire dash head. Now copy the text from the prime video page. So copy this and paste it right here. And also give a p tag with a class fire dash para. And now copy the text from the prime video page. Copy this and paste it right here. And now add a button with the type submit and type here get started. Now let's copy this whole header tag and paste it one time. And now let's change the classes. So first let's change the header class membership dash header, and also change the source of the image. And now change the div class. Replace this with text dash over dash image, and also change this id membership dash div. Okay, now let's change the text in the h1 tag. So go to prime video page and now copy this text and paste it in h1 tag. Actually replace this and now change the h1 class to membership dash head, and also change the class in p tag. Replace this with membership dash para, and now replace the text. So copy this text and paste it right here. So now let's see if it is working. So come to our page. Okay, so here is the text and the button and the images. So the main content is complete. So now let's add the footer. So after the end of main content, add a footer comment. Now copy and paste this one time and change the start to end. So now add a footer tag. Inside that, give a div of class logo. And now give a div. And inside that div, give a image tag. And source, give the location of the image. And also give a alt footer dash logo. Then give an id footer image. So after the end of this div, give a div of id copyright. Okay, now let's add a p tag, and in between give anchor tag and type here terms and privacy notice. And now copy and paste this p tag for 3 times. Now replace this text with send us feedback. And also replace this text with help. And now give another p tag with a class copy. So this text we will copy from the footer of prime video. So copy this text and paste it right here. So now let's check it. So come to our page. So this is the footer. Okay, so the HTML part is complete now. Now let's style it. So come to style.css file. So first let's add the global selector, add margin and padding 0. Also assign box sizing border box, and then add lead style none. Also give outline as none. And now let's search for the font. So search for Syrian fonts, Amazon Amber. This font is actually using in Amazon Prime Video, so we are also using it. So search for Syrian fonts, Amazon Amber. And now select this import link and paste it in the style.css. So open the file and paste it right here. And now copy the font family, copy this and paste it right after the outline none. So now let's check it. Okay, so we are creating almost similar like this Prime Video page. So now let's come to CSS file. Actually, I will put this font family after the box sizing border box. Now let's select the anchor tag and give cursor as pointer. So now let's style the navigation. So first let's select the nav tag. Okay, first let's give a comment navigation. So now in nav, add background color 1A 242F, and also assign padding with top and bottom 0 pixel and left and right 25 pixel. Also add display property as flex, and then assign justify content as space between, and also assign position sticky, and then add width 100%. Now give z index 10 and also give top as 0. So let's see if it is working. Okay, so there is some problem. So come to the code and go to index.html. So okay, so I've not assigned the home, so let's sign it. Okay, now let's see if it is working now. So here is the Prime Video image. Everything is working good. Now let's come to style.css. And now let's select the logo image. So for that, let's select it and give width 150 pixel, and also change the height to 70 pixel, and then give object fit as cover. So let's see. So the image is reduced. Now it's looking good. Okay, now let's select the right part. So let's select it. Let's select the class right dash menu and give padding 25 pixel, and also change the font size to 22 pixel. Now let's select the anchor tag and add padding 5 pixel top and bottom and 15 pixel left and right. Also change the color to RGBA 242 tab 244, tab 246, tab 0.9. Okay, now let's give a hover effect. So come to code and select the class with level hover. Give cursor as pointer. Also select the class with anchor tag with end child and in bracket give 2. And now give a comma and select a class with greater than and give a and greater than level and give font size 18 pixel. Also add padding 0 pixel and 3 pixel. Okay, now let's select the class arrow dash down and give font size 12 pixel. So now let's check it. Okay, so the font size is reduced. Okay, there is some problem. Let's fix that. Come to code. Let's see where is the problem. Okay, we need to add here text decoration none. Now let's see if it is working. Okay, so the underline is gone now. So the navigation is complete. Now let's start with the main content. So first let's give a comment main content and now select the header tag and assign position relative and also assign mean width 320 pixel and then give a height 680 pixel and then assign overflow hidden and also give color FFF. So let's see if it is working or not. Okay, now let's change the image with it. So come to code and select the tag and give with it 100% and also give object feed as cover. So let's see if it is working. Okay, so this is exactly looking like Prime Video web page. Okay, now let's select the class text over image. Actually, we can copy this from the index.html. So copy from here, copy this and paste it right here. And now give background RGBA 000 and also add box shadow and assign inset 545 pixel, 0 pixel, 60 pixel and 0 pixel and assign color #000 and now assign with it 45 pixel. Also give height as 100%. Also assign position absolute and then give top 48% and also give left 27% and add transform and give translate and in bracket add -50% comma -50%. So let's see if it is working. So the font is not showing. Okay, let's select the class Actually, copy this text over image. Now select the h1 tag and assign font size 44 pixel, and then add font weight 400. Then line height will be 50 pixel, and then give margin top with a value 100 pixel, and then assign padding 20 pixel and 0. Now let's see. Now also it's not showing. So come to code. So in header, this will be not cursor, this will be color. Now let's see. Okay, now it's showing. Sorry, this is my fault. Okay, now let's come to code and select the p tag, copy this class and paste it right here, and assign p tag and give font size 24 pixel and line height 29 pixel, and also give font weight 300. Okay, so let's check it. Almost looking same. Now let's come to code and select this with ends of child 4. Add font size 15 pixel. Next, give line height 19 pixel and also give margin top 12 pixel. So now let's see. Okay, so the text size is reduced now. Almost same. Almost looking same. Now let's select the button. And now assign with it 280 pixel and change the background color to 0F79AF. Then change the font size to 18 pixel. Next, add font weight 500 and then change the padding to top and bottom 14 pixel and left and right 22 pixel. And next, give margin top 15 pixel. Next, add border as none. Also add border radius 3 pixel. Next, give font color FFF. Also give cursor as pointer. So now let's see. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now come to code and let's select the p tag with sudo last child. And give with it 280 pixel. And also assign font size 14 pixel. Next, assign text align center. Also give font weight 300. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, almost similar like Prime Video page. So these two header is complete. So now we will style this and it will be almost similar like this. So come to CSS and select the class section So let's assign display flex and then assign justify content space between. Also give margin 10 pixel and 40 pixel. Then add margin top 50 pixel and margin bottom 50 pixel. Now let's select the class fab channels and give with it 45% and also give margin 30 pixel and 20 pixel. Okay, so now let's select the h1 tag. Assign font size 45 pixel and then add font weight 300. Also assign line height 50 pixel. Next select the p tag. Assign font size 24 pixel and add font weight 300. Also add line height 30 pixel. Then add margin top 25 pixel and also add color 35, 33, 33. And now select the class channel bdn and assign with it 55% and then give display as flex. Also add flex wrap as wrap. And now select the channel btn img and change with it 194 pixel. Also change height 134 pixel and add margin 5 pixel. So let's check it. Okay, again there is some problem, so let's fix it. So come to the code. So I forget to add img tag here. So let's see. Okay, so here is the images, but it's not aligned. Let's check where is the problem. So let's see in the index.html. So in here we need to add a div with a class fab channels and copy this div from the h1 and paste it right here. Now let's see if it is working. Okay, so now it's looking good, but we need to align this like this. So come to the css and now let's change the width in the channel btn to 40%. Now let's check it. So now it's looking good, almost like in the prime video page. Now let's create the fire tv. So come to the style.css file. Okay, we need to add one thing first. Let's give hover effect in the channel btn image. So select the class with pseudo hover and give cursor as pointer first and then give box shadow 3 pixel, 3 pixel and 8 pixel and then give color black 000 and now give comma -3 pixel, -3 pixel, and 8 pixel, and color will be the same, 000. So now let's check it. So this is the hover effect, almost like in the prime original prime video page, like this, almost similar. Now let's style this. So let's select the class, actually copy from the index.html, copy this and paste it right here, and assign position as relative, and give minimum width 320 pixel, and also give height 680 pixel, and then give overflow hidden, and also add color FFF. So next select the img tag. So come to the CSS, let's select it. Okay, we don't need to select this class right now. First let's select the img tag. So copy this first and give greater than sign, then give img tag, and then give width as 100%. Also give object fit contain. Next select the class fire dash over dash image. So now let's select this and paste it right here, and now give background as RGB 000. Then select the background color and give RGBA 000 and also 0. Next give width as 45%. Next select the height as 100%. Also give position as absolute. Then give top as 60%. Next give left as 75%. Then give the transform as translate minus 50% in bracket, and also give minus 40%. So now it's showing the text. So next select the class fire dash head. So let's copy this from the index.html, copy from here and paste it. And now let's change the font size to 44 pixel. Also add font weight 400. Then give line height as 50 pixel. Next select the fire dash para, the paragraph. Change the font size to 21 pixel. Next add font weight to 300. Then give line height with a value 28 pixel. Also give width as 800 pixel. Next give margin as 30 pixel and 0. Okay, now it's looking good, almost like this. Now let's select the button. Let's assign width to 80 pixel, and then change the background color to 0f79af. Also give font size 18 pixel, then add font weight with a value of 500. Then change the padding with 14 pixel and 22 pixel. Then select the margin top and give a value 15 pixel, and then give border as none. Also give the color FFF, and then give cursor as pointer. So let's see. Okay, so this part is also complete. Now let's select this. So let's select the class membership dash head. Actually copy from the index.html. Copy this and paste it right here. And now give position as relative, and also give minimum width 320 pixel. Then assign height as 680 pixel. Then give overflow as hidden. Then give the font color FFF. Next select the ID membership dash div and assign background RGB 000, and then add background color RGBA 000 and 0. Next assign box shadow as inset 5 pixel, 0 pixel, 60 pixel and 0 pixel. Now give RGBA 000 and 0. Now let's assign width as 45%. Next give height as 100%. Also give position as absolute. Now add top 50%. Now add transform as translate in bracket minus 50%, comma minus 40%. Now select the membership head. Copy this and paste it here. First let's assign font size 40 pixel. Also give font weight 700. Next assign line height as 48 pixel. Next select the paragraph membership dash para. Actually copy this and paste it right here. Now assign font size as 21 pixel. Also assign important. Next assign font weight 300. Also assign line height as 28 pixel. Now give width as 760 pixel. Also give margin bottom as 30 pixel. Okay, so this section is also complete. Now let's style the footer. So first let's give a comment as footer. Now select the footer and assign background color 191919. Then change the height to 150 pixel and give display property as flex. Now give flex direction as column. Next give align items as center. Next select the justify content center. Okay, now let's select the logo div and assign text align as center. Also assign padding bottom 5 pixel. Now everything is in center. So now let's select the image. So select the ID, footer, image. Copy this from here and paste it. Now give width it as 110 pixel. Next select the height and give a value 35 pixel. Also give object fit as content. Also assign text align as center. Now select the ID copyright and now give display property as flex. Also give margin 2 pixel and 3 pixel. Then give opacity 0.7. Now select the ID copyright with paragraph p tag. So assign margin left as 20 pixel. Next select the padding bottom 20 pixel. Now select the ID with P and anchor tag. So change the color to 0F79AF and also change the font size to 15 pixel. Next select the class copy and change its font color to 949494. Now give text align center. Also assign justify content center and then assign position as absolute. Now add padding top 30 pixel and also padding left 10 pixel. So let's check it. Alright, so the footer is looking good and it's almost look alike, almost same. So also the project is complete for this part. So hope you like it, and if you do, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Also leave a comment and share with your friends. So see you in the next video. Until then, watch my previous videos. So thank you for watching.